Judge Gorsuch, as we enter our third day of hearings, and despite the fact that for 3 days you have said the same thing over and over again, us Democrats have some very serious questions and we demand answers.
Can I just interject real quick? I just want to say that us Republicans are going to keep lobbing out just as serious and important questions, and we want you to just answer them however you feel. Okay.
Oh, well, golly gee, that's just so gosh darn nice of everybody. I'll just try my dang-gum hardest.
Yeah, your eagerness and homespun ways are really coming across satirical, and I, of course, know a lot about satire, because Al Franken used to write for SNL.
You know, I don't care about that. What I do care about is, are you prepared to uphold Trump's immigration ban?
Well, gee whiz. I couldn't possibly make a judgment on something that could come before me.
Yeah, and could you tell me if you will uphold Roe versus Wade, and could you please answer in a different way than you did for Senator Feinstein?
Well, golly, I just couldn't possibly make a judgment on something that could come before me.
Ooh, I got one. Judge, could you pass a judgment for me on what you would describe as just a perfect Sunday afternoon?
Well, golly, I suppose it would be fly fishing in the streams of the state I call home, Colorado.
Well, that's all I needed to hear. Let's sign them up.
Now, I have more questions, please. Thank you, Judge Gorsuch. Now, transgender people all over the nation are fighting for their rights to use the bathroom of their choice right now. Right now, there's a law that protects them. Are you prepared to uphold that law?
Well, golly, I just couldn't make a judgment on something that could come before me.
I get it.
Yeah. You've been a supporter of dark money in politics, something that Anton Scalia was not. Would you stop Citizens United if you had the chance?
Actually, that's something I've got an opinion on.
Really?
But I just couldn't possibly make a judgment on something that could come before me.
Judge Gorsuch, how are we supposed to get a sound bite of us to send back to our constituents acting tough when you won't answer any questions?
Now, I don't quite understand why y'all are getting your pantaloonies in such a bunch. He's answering all of my questions.
Well, yeah, that's because you're really not answering questions, Senator Graham. You're just making him look nice by giving him setups. And setups is something I know a thing or two about because Al Franken used to write for SNL.
No, you know what? No, that is not true. That is not true. Here's one. This is a serious question. There's no setup here. Judge, in your time working in the law and being on that bench, have you ever run across any adorable stories maybe involving a goat?
No, come on.
Oh, golly, it's just, you think you bring a goat in, like my goat, Mr. Gentleman, and you think that everything will be just fine, but you bring him in and suddenly it's a mess. Even if you think you've got him trained just perfectly, it just doesn't work out.
All right, this is ridiculous. This doesn't have anything to do with anything.
I think it's very relevant.
It's not relevant. It's not relevant at all. And Judge Gorsuch, did you ever eventually train your goat, Mr. Gentleman?
Golly, I don't think I could ever make...
Okay, Judge Gorsuch, that's enough, all right? This California girl is tired of trying to decipher your homespun hit talk, all right? I have one last question for you. The Trump administration and Bannon and the GOP all used you as a weapon in this election. Do you feel comfortable with that?
Actually, yeah. No one would feel comfortable with that. I feel uncomfortable with it. Who would want to be put in that situation? I just want to practice the law.
But will you uphold the law? I want to know that. And I also want you to know that Al Franken, used to write for SNL.
You know what? I just want to practice the law. I miss the days of judges not being politicized. I miss when the Senate floor was for debate and not for two-sided arguments. You know what? I've said all I'm going to say. Good day, senators.
Well, I like them. Let's put them on.
I don't know. I can't decide.
Yeah, I just wish there was another way that we could, put some kind of judgment for him and figure out exactly what's going on.
Senators, I don't want to alarm you, but Mr. Gentleman has just gotten out, and it is a mess. Even if you think you've got him trained just right, it never works.
Oh my God, Mr. Gentleman, cue goat times.
We're
Filibustering.
High on a hill was a note.